We've all seen the commercial. Someone brushes white flakes off a dark shirt, takes a quick shower, and instantly regains a perfect, confident smile. For most people, the reality is a 4-day window of relief, followed by the inevitable return of the same flakes, leading to a new bottle and a repeat of the same cycle. It is common to assume the fault lies with our own biology, that our bodies are somehow broken, or that our specific dandruff is unusually stubborn. When dandruff remains persistent despite regular washing, the issue often stems from a chemical formula that targets the visible symptoms while leaving the biological triggers untouched. Check the back of almost any standard anti-dandruff bottle for zinc pyrithione, or ZPTO. This ingredient has been the industry standard for 40 years, yet it was recently reclassified as a reproductive toxicant and banned in the European Union. Relying on surface-level clearing keeps the consumer trapped in a loop of recurring symptoms and continuous purchasing. This microscopic view shows Malassezia, a fungus that lives naturally on every human scalp. It survives by consuming sebum, the natural oil your skin produces. The fungus feeds on oil, creating oleic acid. This triggers intense inflammation, forcing skin cells to shed rapidly and clump into visible dandruff flakes. ZPTO clears these surface flakes, but fails to penetrate deep enough to address the underlying inflammation or fungal colony. Beyond the lack of depth, ZPTO aggressively strips moisture from the hair and scalp. This leaves the hair feeling like straw, and the skin so dry that it becomes further irritated, accelerating the return of the flakes. Concerns led the European Union to classify ZPTO as a Category 1B reproductive toxicant, removing it from cosmetic products across these member states. Continuing to use these traditional formulas often means ignoring the biological root of the problem while exposing the body to compounds that health regulators have already condemned. A new generation of ZPTO-free chemistry is designed to dismantle all 3 stages of the dandruff cycle simultaneously. Salicylic acid acts as the first line of defense, gently exfoliating the scalp to dissolve existing flakes without the harsh drying effects of older formulas. To replace ZPTO, researchers now use pyroxetone olamine. This compound targets the root Malassezia fungus more effectively while avoiding the toxic reproductive side effects associated with zinc pyrithione. Natural oils like tea tree and rosemary are added to calm the underlying inflammation, while keratin keeps the hair smooth to prevent the cycle of dryness and breakage. This multi-layered approach addresses the fungus, the inflammation, and the flakes at the same time, offering a resolution that surface-level shampoos cannot achieve. Even the most advanced chemistry will struggle to maintain a healthy scalp if daily environmental habits continue to provide the biological fuel the fungus needs to thrive. Washing your hair every day is often counterproductive. It strips away protective oils, forcing the scalp to overproduce sebum, which creates a massive food source for the dandruff-causing fungus. High water temperatures also compromise the scalp barrier. Using hot water inflames the skin and removes essential moisture, whereas lukewarm or cold water helps maintain skin stability. Tool hygiene is equally critical. Failing to wash combs and pillowcases weekly means you are reintroducing dead skin cells and live fungus to a clean scalp every night. If flakes persist despite using modern ingredients and adjusting your routine, the cause may be an underlying medical condition like psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis, which requires a proper professional medical diagnosis. By combining precise biological knowledge with consistent daily habits, you can finally exit the cycle of temporary fixes and maintain a healthy, flake-free scalp.